What if you could turn your kitchen scraps into garden gold? With worm composting you can. Worm composting, also called vermicomposting, is nature's way of recycling. It uses special composting worms like red wigglers to eat your food scraps and turn them into nutrient-rich fertilizer. These little helpers are like tiny composting machines. They eat your fruit and vegetable peels, coffee grounds, and even shredded newspaper. Worms eat the food waste, digest it, and then leave behind castings. These castings are like magic for your garden. They are full of nutrients that help plants grow big and strong. Worm composting is a win-win for you and the environment. When you compost with worms, you're helping to reduce the amount of garbage going to landfills. Landfills are a big source of methane, a harmful greenhouse gas that contributes to climate change. By composting your food waste, you're doing your part to fight climate change. But the benefits don't stop there. Worm castings, the end product of worm composting, are a gardener's best friend. This black gold improves soil structure, making it easier for plants to absorb water and nutrients. Your plants will reward you with healthier growth and more abundant harvests. Don't let the word composting intimidate you. Worm composting is surprisingly easy and can be done right in your own home, even if you live in an apartment. All you need is a bin, some bedding, a handful of red wiggler worms, and your kitchen scraps. You can purchase a ready-made worm composting bin or easily make one yourself using a plastic storage container. Worms are quiet and odorless workers, so you won't even notice them. Just feed them regularly, keep their bedding moist, and they will happily turn your kitchen waste into gardening gold. Starting your own worm composting bin is a simple and rewarding way to reduce your environmental impact and improve your garden. It's a fun and educational activity for the whole family. Imagine the satisfaction of knowing you are turning your kitchen scraps into something valuable while helping the planet. What are you waiting for? Join the growing movement of worm composters today and experience the joys of this natural and sustainable practice.